Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with the Quilted Cow, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Helpful Heifer Table Runner #1. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Mats, and Cutters, and the beautiful Wilmington prints, the fabric I'll be using today. Let's get started. Show you how to make the Helpful Heifer Table Runner #1. And you can get kits for this on our website at thequiltedcow.com. The kit comes with the pattern and all the fabric you'll need to sit and sew. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to cut your fabric to size. This is super easy to do. You're only going to use 2 fabrics for the top. So this one is my main piece of fabric, and these are going to be my border pieces. As you can see, I am using a border print for my main. You can use that or just a regular piece of fabric that's not a border print. It's up to you. So I've cut my pieces to size, and I am going to lay out my strips for my border, pin, and then sew a 1/4 inch down the side that you've pinned. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, as you can see, I have pinned that first border to one side, and now I'm going to go ahead and do that same process for this other side. Now that I have both borders sewn on, let's go ahead and press them open. Now we're just going to trim our sides down. So using my ruler, I'm just going to line up my ruler to the edge so I'll get a nice straight line. Just trim that little bit extra. And make sure when you're sewing, you do pay attention to your directional fabrics. And there you have it, your Table Runner #1. As you can see here, my fabric is directional on my main piece. And as you can tell, in this one I've already made, it was machine quilted on a long arm, but you can also quilt your piece on your domestic machine by doing lines or just stitching in the ditch, which would be just stitching where you have your seam allowances. Like and subscribe to watch all of our videos, and remember to check out our website for the kits and patterns at thequiltedcow.com. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Rotary Cutters, and Mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.